What is Forex strategy? Trading system and strategy. Hello, everyone, and welcome to the channel. Uh, our today topic is about Forex strategy, and this is a mini series which include three videos. Which name is a title is a trading system and a strategy, right? So this is the first part. You will have to watch other two parts as well to complete this series. So now we will talk about that what is a forex strategy, right? So the first thing is trading system and strategy, which includes three videos, right? So the first part is what is forex strategy and how does it work, and then we will talk about how to develop or make a forex strategy, right? So before going further, uh, let uh, me clear something that you have to combine all three concepts get together to get a profitable strategy, right? So the first point is which we are going to discuss on the strategy side. If you are developing a strategy, so you have to know the basics, right? So the first most important thing is learn the basics, right? I'm not talking about basics related to the strategy. I'm talking about basics related to the forex, right? Let me explain, right? So if you are developing any strategy, right, so you have to know about the forex, right? You need to know about the forex market, right? You want to trade a forex market, you want to trade bonds, commodities, or you want to trade stocks, right? So you have to select that which side you want to trade, right? You want to trade forex, you want to trade stocks, right? Or you want to trade futures, right? Futures, right? So you have to decide that which markets you want to trade. So we are selecting forex, so our explanation will be in the forex, right? After that you have to learn about the forex, that what are the market hours, right? Which time the market opens and which time the markets get closed, right? So you need to know how about the market timings, right? And after that if you know the market open and close and you know that I have to trade a specific session, right? So then you need to know about the market sessions. After that you need to know about the technical and fundamental analysis, that you have how we do technical analysis. So you have to uh, know about the analysis part, right? If you know analysis, then you can create a strategy, right? So you have to be also know how you need to know how about the basics of forex, about technical or fundamentals, right? Obviously if you know the technicals and fundamentals, then you have idea that how the market moves, you know about structure and these things. So first of all, the main thing is you have to learn the basics, right? After that if you have knowledge about know how about the market, then the next part is the strategy, right? Basics are really important. If you don't have any idea of the markets, so that you are not able to develop or make your own strategy. So now we will talk about the strategy, that what is a forex strategy, right? Uh, let me a forex trading strategy is a technique, right? Which used by a forex traders, right? A forex trader use a technique, right? On which they determine that the market is bullish on buy side or bearish or on a sell side. You are going to buy or sell, right? So this is a set of rules, right, on which you determine the market direction, right? So after that, if you know and you have a technique, so after that there are two type of strategies, right? You have two type of strategies. One strategies can be on a technical side, right? Number one can be a technical, and you can base other strategy based on a news or fundamentals, right? So strategies can be fundamentals, which can be used for news trading, right? So fundamental is news trading, right? So your strategies can be based on technical or fundamentals, or you can combine technicals or fundamentals, and based on that you can create or make your develop your own strategy, right? After that, there are other options on which you can apply your strategy, right? So after that, we can further divide our strategy in two parts, which is manual trading, right? Which or a manual way to trade, right? So in a manual way, you trade the market based on your technical analysis and unmanually, right? And second part is automated systems, right? So automated is a combination of algorithms which get programmed by the programmers, and on that algo they provided set of rules that if you get set up something like based on rules, so you can trade it, right? So you can define, develop, or make your strategy based on these two methods. You can develop your strategy for manual trading or your algo trading, right? And based on that, you generate a signals to go on a buy direction or a sell direction, right? This is the basic concepts. Let me revise it again. There are two types of trading styles, which is new trading technical side, right, and news fundamental side. After that, you decide on which type of trader you are. You are a manual trader or you are a algo trader, right? So on both sides, we have two steps, right? If you are a manual trader, then you can use technical or fundamentals together to trade, right? But if you are trading algo, so in algo you can decide your set of rules that trade based on technical or based on the news numbers figures, right? So that's totally dependent on your strategy, what you want to do, right? Now you know about the strategy, what is strategy, and what can be the strategy types, right? So now our third and last point, which we will talk about in greater detail, that is what is a forex strategy, right? And how to make your own strategy in forex, right? So I will include other videos in this series as well later on. So how the market moves and what are the market structure and how the market works. But in this video, we will talk about a simple scenario, right? For example, if we are we know about the basics, the structures, the market support and resistance, trend lines, candlesticks, and that we are going to do technical analysis, which are type, and we are going on a manual side, right? Now we are developing a strategy. Based on our strategy, we are making a simple strategy that if the market moves, right, market moves and get a retracement, so in this area we are going to look for buys, right? So based on our strategy, what we will look in this area, for example, we can get an idea about any candlestick formation, like engulfing Kelden or in hammer, right? Or we can get a chart pattern like double bottom V pattern or anything. So based on our strategy, if we get a movement to the upside, right, we consider it is one, and if the market go to do a retracement, which we can consider two, so we can target our three, the equal length of this leg, right? So we can target this two an equal length for take profit, right? So this is a buy scenario, bullish scenario, right? If we are talking about the sell scenario, so in the sell scenario, we will talk about that the same scenario. If we get a move down, right, which we consider one, and we get a retracement, and a retracement, we if we consider it two, the retracement, and this area which are we talking about, we will look for the confirmation, which can be based on the candlestick formation. It can be engulfing catering, shooting star, or any type of hanging man on any, which it can be the candlestick formation for a reversal or a signal. And after that, we can target same leg based on this for our take profit on the sale side, right? So this can be our simple strategy, right? So now we know that what is our set of rules, right? So we get together the confluences and we will follow that rules, right? Let me revise it again, right? In the second scenario, now if we don't talk about the leg concept, that if the market is moving to the upside, right, and we are going to use chart patterns like double top, right, and our strategy is with the double top neckline has been broken, so we can at least uh, target the last leg, the last move area. So this can be our strategy, right? So this will be our entry, and this that will be our stop loss, and that will be our target. So this is our double top formation, and we will look for sales and then break off the neckline using pending orders or market orders, right? So it's totally dependent on your strategy that you are going to use market orders, or you are going to use it pending orders, right? So this is a sale or bullish area. Now if we are looking for the buy side, so in this area, if the price come down to our target area, in this area we will look for the buy signals, right? So if we are looking for the buy signal, then we will decide that we need some type of formation, price action formation like double bottom, and in this area we can use a similar technique, which can be a pending order or market order, and if we are using a pending order, so we can use a pending order, the break of a neckline and double bottom and stop loss here, and our target will be the previous resistance, right, which is this area, right? So this can be a pending order technique. Later, if you want to use a market order, so in the market order scenario, when we get a breakout, so we wait for the retracement, and when we get the retracement, we manually place a market order here and stop loss here, and our target will be this area. So this is a different concepts. On the previous concept, we were discussing that we will use simple a swing or leg concept for our forex strategy, and we will look for formation of candlestick of any type of pattern to go long or short. In this scenario, we are purely dependent on the chart price action patterns like double top, double bottom, any type of formation you can talk about, v patterns, anything else, wedges, channels, anything, and we can trade that way, right? I am not going to in depth in the patterns and these things, but let me just explaining that this will be your strategy, which are the set of rules, right? So after that, you can based on that strategy, you can trade, but before going live you have to back test that strategy, and based on that back testing, you will develop a trading plan line, right? So our next video is regarding trading plan. It should be the bake testing, but I leave it for the third point because it will take a lot of time, 1 hour 2 hours to bake test and properly explain that video. So in the next video we will talk about the trading plan, that how we can make our trading plan based on our strategy, which was a simple strategy, market upside, and we are looking for double top neckline break and target, or we are looking for double bottom neckline break to the upside, right? This is our simple strategy. So we on the back testing side, we will back test these strategy, and on the based on the results of the back tested data, we will create a trading plan, right? So on the next video we will talk about the another topic, right? So thanks for watching. That's it for today, and see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye bye.